Hey guys, Megan here with a kitchen quickie. Today I am making Italian style breadcrumbs and I'll show you how. Okay, so in this tall vessel I keep my breadcrumbs. Now as you can see, just up to here with some breadcrumbs, but I do take the time and collect a lot of bread scraps. So here is an Italian bread that we purchased that no one ate the end of. Here are some crackers that were smushed up, some Ritz crackers. Here are some crispy crackers that someone didn't eat with their soup. Here is the bread I bake that we didn't eat because it got a little burnt and we had too much of it already, so it dries out and goes bad in about 5 days. Again, here we have some more bread. This is some Italian bread that we purchased. These are the caps of the bread that nobody eats. I usually give those to the chickens, but when they start drying up like this, I really don't. And since the bread that's in here I don't use eggs, so when I make these little rolls, I don't use eggs in my bread because it goes bad fairly quick. Here's another piece of Italian bread in here. What I do is before I put these in my Ninja, see my Ninja right here, I've already put a couple in there. Before I put them in my Ninja, I make sure that nothing has mold on it, and it looks all good and it's nice and dry. I crack them up, put them in the Ninja, powder them up, put them in a bowl, and then I mix it with the remnants of this jar. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll get back to you when it's all together. Alright guys, so here we are. You can tell the difference. This is the stuff I took out of my bin over there. And this is the stuff that, that I grated myself. And we're just going to mix it all and throw it back in its vessel here. And I will come back at you once I have that done. And there you go, guys. We went from here to here in a few short steps. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this short kitchen quickie. In the meantime, my bucket is all cleaned out and ready to refill. I can put it right back where it was, where we keep it. We keep it on top of the microwave. Let's see, behind all these things here. We keep it right here. See? Out of sight. Put all this stuff back. Alright guys, thank you for hanging with me for this kitchen quickie. Alright, see you on the next one. Bye!